might have messed up on this one.
All right, so the sourcing was terrible today. We did get a few good things, but I'm not happy about how much stuff we got. You can see here, we maybe got half to a third as much stuff as we typically get in these videos. We got like this Simpsons season and this cup. This is pretty cool. Got it for $2. They go for around 50. And we got this toilet seat, but there was 4 of them, and actually in the video later I'll show you how I got 4 of them with all like nice boxes. And we also got this Wii. The Wii sports game wasn't with it initially, but I asked the right questions, I paid attention to what people were saying, and you'll see how I ended up getting the Wii sports with it. Now the Wii I got for $25 with the Wii sports. The Wii Sports will sell alone for $25, so it got a free Wii. And this was really cool. And these go for between 50 and 80. I think I'll get a minimum of 50, but potentially even more just because of these birds that are inside there. It's really cool and unique. These are made in Mexico, handmade. And then this really cool mask thing that you can hang. Really liked that. These digital sliders, I think they go for about $35. Got those for $2.50. Got this Pink Floyd cup, like pint cup. These I believe were $2 or $3. I mean, it'll say in the video later at the yard sales. And then I got these rope lights, 4 or 5 of them, for $1 a piece. I'm gonna probably use them in the garage here, so that there's better lighting in the garage. Once we get the garage all painted white, though, I mean, it's horrible right now. I would like it to look more like that throughout the whole garage, but I need more lighting in some of the rows, so we're gonna use those. This watch, this Breitling watch, I'm gonna talk about this in the video I upload tomorrow, so go ahead and subscribe for that. This is something that I got today, but it's quite the story, so I'll have to leave that for tomorrow's upload. Now let's get out to the yard sales. Also, if you haven't, please like the video. How much for the whole bag?
How much did you give?
I don't know.
How about 20? That's too much?
Yeah, you probably don't know the exact amount in there, huh?
No.
I could do 15.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any Wii games? Or the Wii Sports that came with that Wii?
What did I say? So this one.
The Wii Sports would have been in a sleeve. So it's probably not up here.
Probably not. Okay. Then.
Okay.
Thought I'd seen it.
And how much for it?
For just the game?
Does it come? Yeah, for just the game, but would you?
It goes with the Wii, man. You buy the Wii, you can get that.
Okay. All right. How much for this?
$2.
Okay, and would you do 25 on the Wii?
Yeah. Okay. You betcha. No worries. Put her in the car.
Well, that was it's okay.
You're okay.
But
Thanks. Come here, bud.
want golf clubs?
Do you have some? They're drivers. Yeah, I'm looking for more modern, bigger drivers.
Yeah, they're a little old. The girl don't want to get rid of theirs, and they're real old too.
Yeah, it's not really what I'm looking for, but thank you.
Okay, no problem.
Do you know what these are?
So those are like screens, like the doctors have them.
Okay.
It's like a 4-fold screens. I don't know if you get me the idea that I have.
I think I see. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's where, like in the doctor's office, they put it
Sure.
behind it.
Okay. All right. Is this worth 5? These two?
Yeah, if it was right for you.
Okay. Are you running this place?
Yeah,
How much is
5
this? Okay.
in Mexico.
Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah, this right here. He'll
So this is yours.
Thanks.
Good God.
Appreciate it.
This thing here.
There we go. Cats.
God, I wish it would have said Mother of Gods.
Yeah, mother of cats. It's actually pretty funny.
So that's a wicked shirt too. Hey, thanks for coming to the yard sale. No, everybody gets one. I don't even know what it is. It looks cool.
Still broke,
Yeah.
right?
I'm
I
gonna,
was thinking of
I'm gonna keep one and put
my
it in the
garage.
basement.
Yeah, I might need it for my garage. Well, I need to see how much they are
Yeah.
because I might need more.
They're $100. Yeah, would it pop up?
The barcode.
They are.
didn't-
They're
the
like
barcode
$100.
didn't work. Now they're like.
You put
It says
them-
right there, $8.
Okay.
All right, I'll get them.
You're getting what? All 6
Yeah,
boxes?
talk me into it.
Well, I want one. If you only give me 4, I want one.
No, he's taking the 5. He's very generous, babe.
Let's see. Maybe. Are they all the same?
You've been to the Cotton Bottom, right?
Yep, just once.
For real?
Yep. Men's warehouse.
Yeah, I was talking to my boy from Lehigh, and he says, "Oh, I've never been there, but I know everybody from Utah County's been there."
What are you asking for these out of curiosity? Yeah, I could only do 10 for all 4.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Yeah, real quick.
Okay. Well, she's in charge, so I'll have to carry it. Yeah, I kept one for myself. They're brand new.
Do you have the box for the one you kept?
No, it's still in the box.
Oh, okay. Are you using it?
I'm gonna.
Is the box good on the other one? Would you be willing to trade me for the one with the good box? Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. Cool. That's great.
Same. You want me to?
Yeah, that'd be great. And I'll grab the lights.